Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss the differences between the Premier and Competitive in CS2. So the launch of Counter-Strike 2 has shaken up the game's two core ranked modes in Premier and Competitive, with each offering its own progression system that should keep the most competitive players sated for a long time. For those playing CS2 for the first time after a lengthy CSGO career, be prepared to start from scratch when it comes to both your new Premier rating and your map-specific skill groups. Even if you played Premier during the limited test, you will have to win 10 more matches to get your CS rating back. So, how Premier works in CS2? Premier uses the map veto and pick system that allows both sides to vote on the map they want to play. During that process, the first team bans two maps from the seven in the active duty map pool. Then the second team chooses three maps to ban. The first team then selects the final map to ban, leaving the last remaining map as the one to be played. Then the second team gets decide which side to start on CT or T. So votes on each maps to ban are determined by each member of a team casting their own separate votes for the maps they want to ban. The maps with the most banned votes at the end of the voting phase are the ones that are banned. And also for the Premier CS2 rank and rating, instead of a skill group rank like competitive, Premier now features a new metric called the CIS rating. This rating gives you a number that effectively represents you, elo or rank rating, designating how you stacked up against friends, players in your region, and players around the world. CIS rating will reset with each Premier season, and each season features a global leaderboard. As of the morning of September 28, less than 24 hours after CS officially launched, less than 100 players across the world have CS rating of 15,000 or higher. And finally, for the competitive in CS2 is very much the same as how it works in CSGO. When queuing for competitive, you and your party members will select the map or maps you want to play on, and will only queue for matches against players also queuing for one of those maps. For the competitive CS2 rank and rating, the biggest difference in CS2 compared to CSGO is how the competitive skills groups work now. Instead of one catch-all skill group for competitive as a whole, you now have a skill group rating for each specific map. Only your skill group for the map you play on will be affected after a game, but players now have a new mountain to climb in reaching global elite across all 9 eligible maps. And those are the differences between the Premier and Competitive in CS2. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.